Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest clarified butter or ghee you've ever seen. Here's how I do it, but first, why would you want to? By clarifying butter, you remove all the milk solids and water, spitting away the buttermilk, meaning you can cook it on a higher heat and for longer periods without burning it. Now get your butter into a container and melt it in the microwave. Don't mix it, don't stir it, but make sure it's fully melted, then you'll see it separating into buttermilk on the bottom and clearer butter on top. Get that in the fridge and leave it to fully set. Once it's set, get it out, pierce a hole in each corner, then pour out all the buttermilk. Marinate your meat in that if you like for tenderness. Get the slab out and wipe the bottom with some kitchen paper to get rid of any milk solids and water that are left. And there you have it, beautifully simple clarified butter ghee for use in your next curry. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.